Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,000 a month online. I'm talking about real passive income. I'm going to share with you in this video my $40 million system, the same system that has helped thousands of people make thousands of dollars online. Now, when I say that you could be making $1,000 a month with this system, I'm actually being conservative. We have people that have made over $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, and people who have made or surpassed $1 million in earnings with the system. We have guys like James from England who has already surpassed $1 million with the system. We have guys like Salvatore who already surpassed $400,000 in earnings with the system, or Katarina who already surpassed $500,000 with the system. We have guys like Chad who already surpassed $1 million using this system. So this is real, and like I said, you could be doing the same thing. So watch this video until the end. Seriously, go through the whole video so you can see how you can get started today. Now, essentially, this is an affiliate system. Now, if you have heard of affiliate marketing, if you've tried affiliate marketing, don't leave the video because I guarantee you have never seen something like this. In fact, this is nothing like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, none of that stuff. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you, number one, a top seller product that is selling every single day because there is real demand out there. I'm going to show you the best affiliate program in the industry for you to build passive income, build yourself a real business for yourself, not for other people. And number three, I'm going to share with you $1 million strategy that is generating thousands of dollars online every single month. If you access Builderall.com, you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm showing you. So first things first, what is this product? What is the solution that they offer, and why is there so much demand for this product? So Builderall is a digital marketing solution. Anyone looking to create websites, anyone looking to create sales funnels, anyone looking to create webinars or do email marketing, create automations or anything like that, if you're looking to have an online presence, this is the software that you need. And the good thing about a platform like this, a product like this, is that you pay monthly. So whenever you make a sale, you will earn commissions every single month. If I scroll down the page a little bit, you will see this is the only platform with over 1,000 features and 50 tools. They offer so many tools. Literally anything that you want to do online, you can do it with Builderall. They have a website builder, a website builder for WordPress. They have email marketing, professional email. They have social proof. They have a quiz builder, help desk, super checkout, website chatbots, messenger chatbots. They have a webinar tool. They have an e-learning tool, a funnel builder. They have browser notification, video hosting, mockup studio, ClickMap, Instagram chatbots. I'm not going to go over all of these tools, but if you access the website right now, Builderall.com, you can actually see what each tool does and all of their features. Integration with over 40 tools. So whenever you purchase Builderall, and that's why most people like it, most people stick with this software, is that whenever they buy this, they get 40 tools and all of the tools are integrated with each other. Meaning that if you want to build a website and you want to integrate it with your webinar and email marketing and calendar, you can easily integrate everything into one system. Now, I don't think I need to explain too much why there is a huge demand for a tool like this. I mean, if you are a gym owner, you're going to need a website, you're going to need a funnel, you're going to need a way to capture leads and convert those leads into clients. If you are a real estate agent, you need an online presence as well. You need to be able to capture leads for you to contact to later on show them the houses that you're trying to sell. And that goes for every profession. The moment you put your website online, you're not going to take it down. You're going to pay for the hosting. The moment you build a sales funnel, you're going to keep it live. The moment you build an email marketing sequence, you're going to keep it there because you need your prospects, you need your leads to keep receiving your emails. And this is why most of the people that purchase this product will stay with the product for a very long time. Now, to answer the second question, how do I make money with this? What is the affiliate system? I'm going to show you. So if you scroll all the way up, you go to the header and you click the affiliate tab, you're going to be redirected to the affiliates page. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see the earnings calculator. And this earnings calculator will calculate your potential earnings based on these three questions. How many sales can you make in a year? How many affiliates can you bring in 1 year? And how many sales can each affiliate make in 1 year? After you answer all of these 3 questions, you will see your passive income generated by selling just Builderall alone. Because this is a 2-tier affiliate system. It's nothing like multi-level. Please don't confuse this with multi-level marketing. Not that there's anything wrong with multi-level. This is just a 2-tier affiliate system, meaning that you make a sale and you earn the commissions based on your sales, and you also earn a commission based on the sales of your affiliates. And I'm going to show you how this works. So let's answer the first question. How many sales can you make in 1 year? So let's say you only make 1 sale per week. In 1 year, you have 52 weeks. That is 1 sale per week. And in 1 year, you have 52 sales. How many affiliates can you bring in 1 year? Let's say half of these people become affiliates. So let's say 25. Let's say half of these people become affiliates and they start promoting the product as well. You see that you haven't made any money from people becoming affiliates, because if you want to become an affiliate, it's free. You don't have to pay to become an affiliate, and that's the difference between us and a multi-level company. Of these 25 affiliates that you have brought to Builderall in 1 year, how many sales did they make? Let's be extremely conservative here. You made 1 sale per week. Let's say each one of your affiliates only make 1 sale per month. So in 1 year, each one of them made 12 sales. How much money do you make? You made $1,000 of passive income from your sales alone, but with the leverage system, the 2-tier affiliate system, by your 25 affiliates making 12 sales in 1 year, you have generated yourself $8,000 per month. And that is the power of this affiliate system. And that's why you can make so much passive income with this. Now, this will get crazy because think about this. What if your affiliates get trained by you? They get really good training, they're motivated, and they make the same amount of sales as you. What if they also make 1 sale per week, which again is extremely conservative. 1 sale per week is 52 sales in 1 year. Guys, you have generated yourself $32,000 of passive income. Builderall is a huge product with real demand out there. The affiliate system is the best affiliate system in the industry. Now, the only thing left for us to do is answer the last question. How can you make this happen? How can you make these sales? How can you make 2-3 sales per week? Or how can you make 1 sale, just 1 sale per week, and build your team making new sales as well, generating you $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 a month of passive income? What would I do if I was an affiliate starting out? If I was an affiliate starting out, I would click the link in the description. And before I finish off the video, let's recap. You need 3 things to become a successful affiliate. Number 1, you need a top seller product. Number 2, you need a good affiliate system that will help you build your affiliate business. And number 3, you need the right strategies. Now, I can't go over all of these strategies in this video, but make sure to check it out, the link in the description.